Hello, welcome to the CEO dg&la YouTube channel. Amazon India is back with the daily Amazon quiz where users can answer questions and stand a chance to win exciting prizes. Amazon quizzes focus on product trivia and provide the opportunity for customers to win exciting prizes. The prizes for these quizzes range from free products and goodies to Amazon Pay balance. Check out the questions and answers. The odds of winning depends on the number of eligible entries that answer all the questions correctly. Eligible entries are the ones that satisfy the eligibility criteria outlined in the mobile app and follow the steps outlined in the details of the contest and how to enter section. Do not forget to tweet about your participation in the Amazon quiz using #QuizTimeMornings with Amazon. So, how to play the Amazon quiz? Step 1. This is an Amazon app only offer. So, we suggest you download and install the Amazon Android or iOS app from Google Play Store or Apple's App Store. Step 2. Now, open the Amazon app and sign in into your Amazon account. Create an account if you do not have an existing Amazon account. Step 3. How to go to Amazon quiz. Go to the homepage and scroll down in the Amazon app, offers, and then click on Amazon quiz 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. Another way to go to the Amazon quiz page is by clicking on the menu, programs and features and then to the fun zone. Step 4. Now, just click the Amazon quiz banner and start the quiz by tapping the Start button. Step 5. You have to answer the 5 questions correctly in the daily Amazon quiz in order to be eligible to win exciting prizes. Step 6. After answering all of today's Amazon quiz questions correctly, you will then be eligible for the Amazon quiz winners lucky draw. Step 7. The Amazon quiz lucky draw winners are announced on the winners list declaration date. Amazon quiz question and answers of September 24, 2020. First, which famous tennis player wore 7 masks with the names of 7 victims of racial injustice during her 7 matches at the 2020 US Open? Answer: Naomi Osaka. Second, Prakash Balawadi plays the father of which genius in a movie released on Amazon Prime in 2020? Answer: Shakuntala Devi. Third, September 2020 marks the 9th World Dash Month to raise awareness and challenge the stigma that surrounds which disease? Answer: Alzheimer's. Fourth, where in India would you find this famous monument? Answer: Kanyakumari. Fifth, all the tourists shown here are clicking pictures inside which museum? Answer: Louvre Museum. Dhanyavad. Thank you. If you like this video, do like, subscribe and share. See you in the next one. Bye bye.